Only Pataka make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we have never heard Vybz Kartel and Nicki Minaj on a track, and it now fire flames like the Nazla, the Celtic weapon. Now, viewers and subscribers, talk is being made of a new feature, Vybz Kartel, Nicki Minaj and Marshall Montano. Viewers and subscribers, them add soca to the mix. So while yet unconfirmed, I see while the entire music industry are waiting for this confirmation, viewers and subscribers. Now recently, at the Trinidad Carnival for 2020, Nicki Minaj and Marshall Montano were two of the biggest names at the Reggae Road Show, viewers and subscribers. And sources close to the artist say our favorite Marshall Montana track currently is a feature with our favorite, would one have her favorite dancehall artists, superstars. Yes, we have to say superstar at this point in time. Vybz Kartel, and that track is the Super Soca track now, viewers and subscribers, the remix. Just like how when Nicki Minaj hear the Egyptian track, hold you, and it just hold her, and she said she need to do the remix. Me I hear say the same vibe. And that's a good look. That is definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers. Hip hop, dancehall, and now soca in the mix. You know the energy. A carnival season. And one thing about carnival and dancehall music, them share one thing in common. The vibe to make the ladies them move, dance, and enjoy themselves, viewers and subscribers. Dancehall and soca definitely have that in common. If we don't have nothing else in common with soca, we have that in common. And dancehall music is very big in Trinidad at this point in time. Artists like Boy Boy, Swanee, you name the names, viewers and subscribers, are dancehall music. Them a do. Them a call it Trinidad dancehall, but me that's a start and something. Just call it dancehall and done. You can do anywhere in the world and do dancehall music as long as they pay homage and respect to the founders of dancehall music, who are we the Jamaicans, not only the artists but also the producers and of course the fans. Of course, the fans, viewers and subscribers. And this would be nothing more than just something for the fans, of course. You know what I mean? A track like this would be well celebrated right across the Caribbean diaspora. Of course, we know, say, you know what I mean? Nicki have strong lineage to Trinidad. That's our appearance them forward from. You know what I mean? Marshall Montana is a big soca artist. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel, the biggest name currently in a dancehall music. That definitely a good look. And I see why the world are anticipated. I myself, you know what I mean? I look forward to see a confirmation. Because I know Nicki thing. You know what I mean? She love the energy. She love the dancehall music. And she love soca too as well. She love the carnival energy. Yo, I don't see nobody. I've never seen any lady go out to carnival and say they don't like the vibe and like the experience. Just the vibe says it's just all about fun and enjoyment, dancing. You know what I mean? Move round, shake when need for shake. You know the something go. And I want thing I can tell you when they're at carnival is definitely an exciting moment. Because people are more, you know what I mean? It's like them that said, the ladies let their hair down. And them not to pre certain things at this moment in time. They must dress up, them feel hot, them feel nice, and then must have a whole of vibes. And I like that energy there. So if I one thing I like about carnival, I like that aspect there, the whole vibe. You know what I mean? The fact that the ladies them get a chance for us dance from the start straight to the end of carnival. You know what I mean? At no point in time, you know, I'm not session the people just stand up and a look. We don't like to stand up and look something. If we forward out for party, we forward out for party. You know what I mean? So that are the energy we see with carnival, and I realize, yo, that is why Jamaicans also love the vibe and love the experience as well, especially Jamaican ladies. You know what I mean? Anyway, the ladies them turn out that them numbers, you know the warriors them good. Yes, we are right. Yes, we are right with my lady by my side. You know the something will go. We are enjoying, we are party all night. This track would be a big track, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Definitely a track we expect for doing the numbers. Because right now, dancehall music depends on a certain trajectory for this year. But we can definitely see more international stakeholders in music paying more attention to dancehall music. You know what I mean? In the past, we have seen more focus on reggae and reggae artists, even this year. Remember, at the moment in time, we still don't have a dancehall category at the Grammys. So for this year, the Grammy holder is Coffee. You know what I mean? As I say, big her up because she earned her thing, and the fact that she found out and get a copy and get a Grammy at the first go. Her first go, you know, get a Grammy. You know what I mean? Some people say because you know what I mean, industry in the interest, because she signed to a record label and Ray, but you know what I mean, the rap track, it was a good vibe. You know what I mean? And that track, the Toast. Yo, the track Toast was a big track. Nobody can deny the facts. Yo, Toast had the whole world a jump in our vibe. You know what I mean? Anybody or everybody will hear that track, they love something about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a track where people love. I love the video too. It's simple, it real. You know what I mean? It natural. Me like that vibe there. You know what I mean? As to our orientation, I don't know about that. I don't want to talk about that right now. But she found out in our tuxedo. And the Grammys. We don't get another reason there. We look for that somewhere else. We are talking about the Nicki Minaj and the Vybz Kartel and the Marshall Montana track. Talk to me. What you feel like? You know what I mean? Would this be a track that you would want to hear? Would this be a feature from the teacher that you would be looking forward to? You know what I mean? Yeah, the feature with Marshall Montana and the Super Soaker is already do good. You know what I mean? Do extremely well. As I say, a carnival time now, the timing was impeccable. You have to drop it and make it go and run so the people can get used to it, so they can enter them ears. So that's when the road show go on. Of course it have a play. Of course it have a play. Some of the biggest artists in Trinidad right now, as I'm say, they are dancehall artists. So that is a good look. Dancehall viewers and subscribers is a phenomenon. And Vybz Kartel is at the helm, meaning him they are the forefront. Him are the artist. So when I say dancehall right now, the teachers if you call my name a dancehall, you call. And in reality, if I say dancehall right now, you say Vybz Kartel. You have to say Vybz Kartel. Because when you look on the genre, dancehall music, you look on the best, the biggest, and the most creative artists. Who for name you go call? Let's just be frank with it. Who for name you go call? If you are unbiased, I'm gonna know I won't go get that for buy. But viewers and subscribers, if you're not gonna talk the truth, a Vybz Kartel name of a mention. So when you make a statement like from you call my name a dancehall, you call a reality. So no doubt that track is a track way. Of course, Nicki would have want to drop a remix pan. You know what I mean? I don't know if she have no projects in the works. If she have projects in the works, maybe it is not just a remix. Maybe she put a whole track together to convey that vibe, that carnival vibe, because North America love that energy too. Because when the carnival them take place over there, the amount of people them see and the amount of celebrity names them see in attendance, me have to say wait, them love the energy, them love the vibe. That impy skimpy something, I like the vibe too. You know what I mean? When them follow those strong out them thing and a whole vibe and a whole energy and a dance, the Caribbean music. Cause no matter which carnival play, there are also dancehall songs being played in the mix. There are also dancehall songs being played in the mix because we have the song them to make the girl them dance. Talk no man, dancehall have the songs for the girl them move them waist. You know what I mean? As when the teacher say, wind up like a car window. Yes, we have songs for do that. We have songs where make the girls wind up like car window. So even if a soca settings, dancehall music can be played. I don't say no settings where you can't have a dancehall song being played. Because even if it's a reggae party, you have dancehall songs where we are talking about certain things, social injustice and social justice and things of that nature. And a dancehall artist I make the chat then. You know what I mean? Even if it's in a different type of way, in a different type of beat, lyrical content, the message is the same. Dancehall for the people. Dancehall for the people. All when a soca time. All when a soca time. Remix in process. Them say it is loading. Them say it is loading, viewers and subscribers. The comment section rather is always open. So talk to me. Let me know what your thoughts on settings like this. Nicki Minaj, Vybz Kartel, Marshall Montana, as I said before. Yeah, and that's the quick recap. You know what I mean? Yes, the Super Soaker remix, viewers and subscribers. While yet unconfirmed, the entire music industry, I look forward to it. And that is an exciting sight, our exciting moment right now. Friday, crazy tracker drop. You know what I mean? EP. You know what I mean? Body language. We have whole heap in store and lots more in storage. Vice to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding all of you, or those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But when I like the reason, and of course when I like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this way you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. You know how the something go. The comment section is always open. The like icon is for me like we if I like on the vlog. The comment section they always open 24/7, never lock yet. The share icon there too. So you can tell a friend, to tell them sister and them brother, them anywhere them day in the world. But check out the vlog and join the discussion. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines in the comment section. But we can continue reasoning from there. You know the something go. Of course, our move settings fam. I wanna need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours. I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.